Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Uconnect in your Dodge Caravan. Connecting your phone to Uconnect allows for hands-free calls, seamless music streaming, and convenient navigation. This guide provides a step-by-step process that applies to most Dodge Caravan models equipped with the Uconnect system. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to complete, enhancing your driving experience significantly. Before we begin, make sure your vehicle's ignition is on and the Uconnect system is fully powered. Next, grab your smartphone and navigate to its settings menu. Locate the Bluetooth option and ensure it is turned on and discoverable. For safety, always perform these initial steps while your Dodge Caravan is parked in a secure and quiet area, allowing you to focus completely on the pairing process. Now let's move to your Uconnect touchscreen. Press the phone icon usually found at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Settings. You will then see an option to add device or pair device. Select this to put your Uconnect system into pairing mode. The system will often display a 4-digit PIN or prompt you to create one, which you will need for the next step. With Uconnect in pairing mode, return to your smartphone. In your Bluetooth settings, you should now see your Uconnect system appear in the list of available devices. Select it. You will then be prompted to confirm a 4-digit PIN on both your phone and the Uconnect screen to finalize the connection. After successful pairing, you may be asked to allow access to your contacts and messages. You can also set your phone as a favorite for automatic connection every time you enter your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.